Ever dreamt of ditching the stacks of invoices and endless payment chasing? Yeah, us too. That's why online payment platforms like mamopay seem like a lifesaver. But with all the features and plans flying around, figuring out how much is mamopay can be a real head-scratcher. Mamopay, friend or foe for your wallet? Fear not, fellow business warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mamopay pricing. We'll break down the plans, fees, and hidden costs so you can decide if it's the financial hero you've been searching for. Now, before we get all technical, let's address the elephant in the room. Mamopay isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. They offer tiered plans catering to different business sizes and needs. Breakdown of 3-tiered mamopay plans: Growth, Premium, Ultra. First up, the Growth plan. It's free, which sounds fantastic. But there's a catch. Transactions come with a fee of 2.9% per swipe, plus an additional AED 1 per transaction. Think of it as the pay-as-you-go option, good for freelancers or businesses just starting out with a low transaction volume. Next, we have the Premium plan. This one sets you back AED 149 a month, but the transaction fees drop slightly to 2.7% plus AED 0.80. It's ideal for businesses with a steady flow of transactions, but not quite ready to commit to a high-volume plan. Finally, the big kahuna, the Ultra plan. This top tier costs AED 399 per month, but the transaction fees are the lowest, a sweet 1.9% per swipe, plus the usual AED 0.80. This plan is aimed at businesses processing a significant amount of payments and wanting to maximize their savings. But wait, there's more. Now hold on, before you jump ship for the Ultra plan, there's another layer to this pricing onion. Mamopay throws in a concept called Ultra Balance. Basically, the more you spend using your Mamo card, the lower your transaction fees become within the Ultra plan. It's a bit like a loyalty program for big spenders. Illustration of Ultra Balance system. Sounds complex, right? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll leave a link in the description below with a detailed breakdown of the Ultra Balance system and how it affects your fees. So, how much is mamopay after all? It depends. The monthly fee can range from free to AED 399, and transaction fees vary depending on your chosen plan and Ultra Balance status. Here's the key takeaway. For low-volume businesses, the free growth plan might be sufficient, but transaction fees can add up. The premium plan offers a balance between affordability and lower fees for growing businesses. High-volume businesses can benefit from the Ultra plan's lower fees, but the monthly cost is higher. Ultimately, the best way to figure out how much is mamopay for you is to crunch the numbers based on your specific business needs. Consider your average transaction volume, the types of transactions, local or international, and how much you're comfortable spending monthly. Mamopay offers a free trial, so you can take it for a spin and see if it fits your workflow before committing. Free trial available. Test before you invest. Remember, the perfect payment platform isn't just about cost. Look for features that streamline your process, integrate with your accounting software, and offer robust security features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hunting for the perfect payment solution for your business.